I was starting Kara Rose's hair for school this week. We are doing some crochet in her hair. It's black and pink. I'm not sure if it goes against school conduct or what's called when the rules and policies, but we'll see. Excuse the noise, my son throwing dishes. But y'all know I have zero idea of how to do hair, but I am trying my best for my princess because she begged me to do her hair every week. I pay people to do this. But she was like, Mama, I don't want them folks' hands in my hair. I want you to do it. And I was like, Kara Rose, you know I don't know how to do hair. Yes, you do, Mommy. And then she very tender-headed, so she cried the whole process. The potatoes? Yeah, it's sweet potatoes. That's what I wanted. The sweet potatoes, and then it was regular potatoes.
I'm hungry.
Well, after I finish these 2 braids, you can eat some soup. Or some turkey, the turkey dome. Her hair look terrible because I don't know what I'm doing. But hopefully,
stop talking about that.
But hopefully the end result would be great. Would be decent. Oh, sit back. Sit back. Is you okay? No! What's going on? Where? Where? Is it better now? Okay, you can stop crying. It's better now. Okay, you said it's better. Glad you like it some. My other son didn't like it. He said it was undercooked. You watch this for me? Thank you so much. That ballerina tea running through Geisha. You drunk some? Huh? You drunk some? Drunk what? The ballerina tea. No, but I just do this. I am recording, so I hope you don't mind. Don't nobody know you yet, so.
You gonna post the audio?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, this is probably not done. Sorry.
What they done? Oh, that's done. I just need to make some rice. It's turkey.
So with chicken?
Yeah. But Bailey said that was salty, but this ain't. It just tastes lime. She wants pink crochet hair. I don't know if that goes against the school dress code because
Mom,
they have
you already
uniforms.
said that.
I know, but I'm saying it again because I ain't said it right the first time. We're gonna see. Okay, come on, we're gonna sit down.
Why? Why we gotta sit down? Don't show my face. What?